Good evening, everyone. Most respected judges, our Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and all the dignitaries of the various departments who are present here, and my fellow friends. This is Kamdak Doji from Parsipala Place, District Kurungkume, Arunachal Pradesh. I have done my graduation in the BSc Agriculture from Rama University, Kanpur, and currently I'm pursuing my MSc Agronomy in AUS. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is I'm from Zero Lower Subansri village, and I'm representing Lower Brahmaputra House. And I'm studying in fourth semester LLB. My hobby is traveling and to listen music. And the attire I'm wearing belongs to Apatani community. This is known as Inyo. This waistcoat is known as Jike. This shirt is called Taru. And this beats.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bilton Devi from Honville, Department of Education. My hobbies is playing cricket, football, and reading books, and I love to draw. I am here to not represent myself, nor my department, nor my house. I am representing here each and every one of you who thought that they are judged, they are excluded, they have lack of confidence. I am here to be your voice. I am you. I am to be your voice. I strongly believe in karma. Karma means if you do good, you get good. If you do bad, you get bad. So for me, karma is all. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Thank you all.
Good evening, everyone, my respected judges, and all my dear friends. So, myself, Dhariti Dairy from Belize Department, 2nd Sem. I'm representing Brahmaputra House. As you guys already had noticed that I'm wearing Assam traditional dress as a girl from Assam. So, thank you everyone.
There is no cosmetic for beauty without smile. Namaskar sabhi ko. Good evening, one and all present here, respected judges, and all my dear friends present here. Myself, Nachini Milin. I did my schooling from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Songpura, class 2 from Indira Public School, Roing, and graduation from Don Bosco Maram, Manipur, and post-graduation from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Guwahati. And presently, I am pursuing my LLB 4th semester. I am representing Brahmaputra House. And if I want to share about my hobby is to explore new places and to to make new friends. Today what I am wearing, this is belong from Eastern Hill Mishmi community. Our day begins with this basket and this is called Nui, which begins our day. Our family begins from this Nui because from morning to evening we carry our household goods from this. This is our backbone to our house.